Every small detail matters. Paul Furst with Furst Realty Group. Today I'm touring a lovely home, priced in the mid 800,000s, great property. However, just one little thing. As soon as we walk in the door with my clients to tour the property, they hear that beep. And right from the very beginning, it begins to erode their confidence in the property and in the transaction. So the whole time they're touring, they keep hearing that beep. It's distracting to them, and it's breaking them out of their enjoyment and letting their imagination place themselves into this property so that they could potentially purchase it. Don't let these small things ruin your listing. It matters who you call. Make the Paul call. I guarantee that throughout your listing, we'll make sure your smoke detector batteries are current and full of power so that we don't get that beep every single time when we're trying to have clients tour your property. Click like and subscribe, get that bell, and don't forget, make the Paul call.